Would you like to launch more local classes in your community? It doesn't matter what you teach. It could be fitness Pilates, boogie beat, KSFL, step, aerobics, high-low, body conditioning. It could be Zumba, Clubbercise, Clubbercise. It could be Nordic walking. It could be Aqua. It could be any of the amazing brands and programs out there that group exercise has to offer. Or you may have created your own brand, and we all need to get more customers into our businesses. So whether you're just starting out or whether you are a seasoned pro in the community, I have created an exact blueprint, a step-by-step formula. You don't need a website, you don't need to be paying for advertising, you don't need expensive flyers, you just need your personality and your phone. I want to help more fitness professionals get their message out there, attract more people into their business, and ultimately be more successful financially. This formula, I follow it every single day, whether I am launching a class, whether it's live, whether it's online, whether it's a workshop, a program, an event. There is a step-by-step formula, and I use it all of the time, and I'd love to teach it to you. So I am creating a whole new mastermind series of workshops. I love going out into the community and doing workshops. We did the business brunch a couple of months ago, and everybody at the business brunch got so much from that morning. They've all launched different things, and it was so positive. I love to reach out and do these workshops, but it's so difficult logistically. So this is going to be an online series. You don't need to leave the house. You can do it in your slippers. You can join me. It'll be real time, so you can ask questions, you can get involved. And if you actually can't make the live training, it's this Wednesday at 1 o'clock. You can still book a place and get the recording. There'll be a full PDF, notes with all of the information. You'll get the video, you'll get the replay, you'll be able to ask me questions live. And of course, I'm not going anywhere, so you can go away, apply it, and then if you have questions or you need more help, you can just contact me. I'm here every single day. Group exercise classes in the community solve a huge problem. There are so many people that won't ever be a member of a health club. There are so many health clubs that offer a certain amount of classes, and you can offer something different in the community. What we need to work out is how you market, how you get your message out there, and there is a step-by-step formula. So don't delay. Don't think about putting this off. Come and join me on Wednesday. I'd love to see you live. Click the link below. I've got 50 seats available on this live training. And come on, let's do this. Let me help you increase your income and your impact. And join me on the brand new